Hello, 你好，我是 Katrina. Welcome to my Simplified Chinese character lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to learn 5 different simplified characters. Let's get started. The first one is 三. This is a character, or you can see it right here. Okay, this one is bigger. 三. So, what does that mean? It means 3. In our previous lesson, you learned 一 and 二, which means 1 and 2. That is 1 stroke and 2 strokes. And this one is 1, 2, 3. 3 strokes. So let's see how we write this character. Only 3 strokes. Very easy. But remember, when you're writing it, the shortest stroke is in the middle. So 一, 二, 三, that's 3. 三. If you want to see the picture, actually, it is just very easy. That is the picture you can imagine. 三. The next one is 十, which means 10. This is easier, so I teach this first, okay? This is 十, and it looks like just like a cross. 十 means 10. So sometimes you will see Mandarin speaking people, when they talk about 10, they say 十个 10. So they make this gesture. At least in Taiwan, we're making this gesture to represent 10. So I remember sometimes when I was traveling to different countries, and I would have some gestures with my hand to represent some numbers. And I tell people, when I was in Philippines, and I tell people, oh, I want 10 something, and I do this, and I suddenly realize, oh, I'm not in Taiwan, I'm not in the Mandarin speaking country, so I cannot do this 10. So anyway, this is a 十, like a cross. That's how you write the character. Only 2 strokes. Very easy. Okay, again, if you want to see the stroke order again, you can go to yellowbridge.com, the website, or you can just rewind the video and watch the stroke order animation again. And this is 10. 十. Okay, one question before I go on. We have some gesture to represent the numbers. For example, this is 10, 十. And is there any different gesture that you have which is different from Mandarin? Please let me know. I would love to know. Next one is 入, and it looks like this. So you might find this very familiar because it's like 人, people, or person, which we learned in our previous video lesson, but that is not 人. This is just opposite of 人. Okay, this is 入, and which means enter. 入, okay? So this is how you write the 汉字. It's just 2 strokes. 入 means to enter. Don't confuse that with people, okay? 入. The next one is 日. 日 means day or sun. It's often a component of a word or the radical of a character, and a component of a character or a written character. Alright, I'll explain that later. 日 means sun or a day, and this is the original idea. 日, and 日, and this is 日. Alright, and this is how you write the character 日. Okay, so it's more stroke, but still not very difficult. Alright, the last one means moon or month in Mandarin, and we call 月. 月. It is shaped just like a moon. So 月 means moon or month. 月. This is how you write the character. Okay, so You don't close here. Here is open and you have a hook right here. Okay? 月. Now, I would like to review all these words with you. Let's get started. 日 3 10很好入月入10 3 Alright, now I'm going to give you some vocabulary with using these 汉字 character. The first one is, how do you pronounce these two characters? It is 入口 入口 Okay, do you remember 口? It means mouth, right? So enter mouth, okay, literally, but it means the entrance or entrance. So next time if you see 入口 means entrance. Next one, what's this? 10月 10月 literally means 10 and month means October. October, because October is the 10th month of the year. So we use the number. 10月 October. Next one. This one is 3月 3月 So 3 and month, which means March. That's right, March. 3月 Next one, 10月3日 10月3日 literally means 10 month 3 days. But actually, it's how we say the date of a month. It's October 3rd. 3日 is the third day of the month. So if you see a written Chinese writing like this, the written Chinese shows like that, it means October 3rd. 10月3日 October 3rd. Next one. 3月10日 3月10日 It means March 10th. Okay, the same logic as the previous example. So 3月 is the third month, which is March. 10日 is the 10th. So March 10th. 3月10日. Alright, I hope this video helps. Please don't forget to download the worksheet that I prepared for you. It's very useful, and don't forget to print out the flashcard that I made for you to practice more. Until then, I'll see you next time. 谢谢你们，再见。